Welcome to your favorite car review show here at Cedar Crest. I'm Malachai and Tye.
And I'm Tye Haynes.
Welcome to Gears in Guam. Alright, and who am I here with today?
Aaron.
Alright, Aaron, what kind of truck do you have here?
I have an 0360 F250.
Alright, I love these trucks. How reliable is this thing?
No, it's pretty reliable. I guess a little hate on it, but in my eyes, it's pretty reliable.
How'd you get this?
Actually, my mom helped me buy it because I needed a new truck. My old truck was a little garbage, but yeah.
Nice, nice. What's your favorite thing about it?
Probably the size of my turbo. It's about a 192 millimeter turbo. It's right there in the middle of the engine. You can't miss it. And she purrs like a little beast.
Okay, and who am I here with today?
Aaliyah Effner.
All right, Aaliyah, tell me, what model car is this?
This is a 2010 Dodge Caliber Backstreet.
All right, I like it. It looks like a mom car, but that's okay. We like those. What's your favorite thing about this car?
Definitely the decorations that I put on it.
All right, I like the Peppa Pig in the window. How did you afford this?
So my mom gave it to me instead of me buying a new one because this is probably the best I could probably get with the money I had.
All right, thanks, Aaliyah. That's awesome.
Alright, and who am I here with now?
Manual Solar.
Alright, Manny, what type of car do you have here?
It's an 04 Civic EX.
04 Civic EX. This thing's pretty low to the ground. It's pretty low. How'd you get this car?
I actually bought it off my uncle. It was wrecked. He wanted to fix it, didn't have the time, and I just sort of fixed it at my house.
Oh, nice. You know, salvage. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your favorite thing about your car?
Probably the engine swap I did on it not too long ago.
And what engine did you put in it?
Just a D17 A2.
Nice.